I recently did a workshop with the WIC Network where I introduced to them the leadership outcomes that happen when you have effective leadership. And the way that I positioned it was that regardless of what your leadership challenge is, the outcomes that you want to achieve is direction, alignment, and commitment. So when we talk about direction, direction is the group agreeing to and understanding what is the goal and what does success look like to achieve that goal. Alignment is about the individual's work being coordinated so that they're not working at cross purposes and they're not duplicating their efforts, regardless of their titles, regardless of their expertise. And commitment is how committed are the individuals to the group, to the project, over their own self-interest. Now, very often I will have leaders ask, well, is commitment to the project? Is that what that is? And I have to share with them, no. If you have spent adequate time at direction, communicating and sharing with them what the goal is and getting their agreement and understanding, that is where that commitment is baked in. This commitment is individuals willing to give that discretionary effort and willing to be committed to the success of the group over their own personal interests. So when I introduce DAC to leaders, I use it as a way for them to diagnose within their organization what's happening and what's not happening when it comes to direction, alignment, and commitment. One belief that is very core to me, and we're also finding out in many industries, is that leadership is not about a job title. Leadership is not about one person. Leadership is about a social process that includes everyone.